You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is of Romanian origin. It's a male given name, also a surname from the Hebrew name Michael or Michael, essentially, or Michael, which means who is like God. Mihai is how it's pronounced. How to pronounce Romanian pronunciation and also English pronunciation, Mihai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.